find your places. I'm Priyanka Bish from Arden Progressive School, and in today's session we will be starting a new topic of chapter 3, that is admission of a partner. And the topic for today's session is accounting treatment of reserves and accumulated profits when there is change in profit sharing ratio of existing partners. In the previous class, we have studied about the accounting treatment of goodwill and also about determination of sacrificing and gaining ratio in case when the profit sharing ratio among the existing partners changes. So under this topic, there are two cases. First case is when reserves and accumulated profits or losses are to be transferred to partners' capital account. So this is the first case under the heading where there is accounting treatment of reserves and accumulated profit. See, we know if in case where the partners are changing their profit sharing ratio in future, then there are some reserves and accumulated profits in the books of accounts. So these reserves and accumulated profits or losses, it should be transferred to partners' capital account. So here it will be transferred to partners' capital account in case when the capitals are fluctuating, and these reserves and accumulated profits and losses are transferred to partners' current account also. Is transferred to partners' current account when the capital accounts are fixed. So reserves and accumulated profit will be transferred to partners' capital account in case when the capital account is fluctuating, and the reserves and accumulated profits or losses, it will be transferred to partners' current account when the capital are fixed. Now, the reason for these transfer of reserves and accumulated profits or losses is that the reserves and accumulated profit or losses, they have come into existence before there is change in profit sharing ratio among the existing partners, and hence they belong to the partners in their old profit sharing ratio. So there are some journal entries which will be passed regarding this case. So the first entry will be for transfer of reserves and accumulated profits. Now for transferring the reserves and accumulated profits, journal entry will be reserves account debit, profit and loss account debit. This is in case of profit. Then workman compensation reserve account debit, investment fluctuation reserve account debit to all partners capital or current account, and it will be shared in old ratio. So this is the entry which will be passed in case when the reserves and accumulated profits are to be transferred to partners capital account or current account. Entry is reserves account debit, profit and loss account debit, workman compensation reserves account debit, investment fluctuation reserve account debit to all partners capital or current account, and it will be transferred in their old profit sharing ratio. Now old partners capital or current account is credited because all these reserves are to be transferred to partners capital account. So if partners capital account will be credited in such case. Now second journal entry will be for transfer of accumulated loss. So entry for this transaction will be old partners capital or current account debit. It will be debited in partners old ratio. So old partners capital or current account debit to profit and loss account. This is a case of loss to deferred revenue expenditure account. So here deferred revenue expenditure can be advertisement suspense account. So this entry will be passed in case of transfer of accumulated losses from partners capital account. In case of loss, partners capital account will be debited, and in case of profit, partners capital account is credited. So for transferring the accumulated loss, entry is old partners capital or current account debit, which will be shared in the partners old profit sharing ratio, to profit and loss account in case of loss, and to deferred revenue expenditure account. So based on these journal entries, we will be solving some numerical questions of first case where reserves and accumulated profit or losses is to be transferred to partners capital account. Now here is the first numerical question based on case 1. Question is, X, Y and Z are partners sharing profits in the ratio 4:3:2. From 1st April 2017, they decided to share the profits equally. On that day, their book showed the following items. First is profit and loss account, which is a credit balance. That means it is a case of profit amounting to rupees 1,20,000. General reserve amounting to rupees 45,000. Worksman compensation reserve 60,000. Advertisement suspense account, which is a debit balance amounting to rupees 90,000. Now advertisement suspense account, it is a deferred revenue expenditure which comes in case of accumulated loss. Record the necessary journal entries. Now according to the question, there are 3 partners X, Y and Z who are sharing the profits and losses in the ratio 4:3:2. This is the old profit sharing ratio of partner X, Y and Z. Now, in future they decide that they will share the profits equally, which means their future profit sharing ratio is 1:1:1. This will be considered as new profit sharing ratio. So in the question it is given there are some accumulated losses and accumulated profits and reserve which will be transferred to partners capital account but in their old profit sharing ratio. This is the case where partners has decided to change their profit sharing ratio. So there will be some accumulated profits and losses which will be existing in the books of account before the change in profit sharing ratio among the partners. So it has to be transferred to partners capital account in their old ratio. So we will show this effect in the books called journal by transferring the accumulated profit to the partners capital account and by transferring the accumulated losses to the partners capital account. Now coming to the solution part, first we will draw the format of journal. Format of journal is, first column will be of date, then particulars, LF which is ledger folio, debit amount and credit amount. Now here according to the question, first we will be transferring the accumulated accumulated profits and reserves to partners capital account. Date will be 1st April 2017. So here in the question it has been given that there is a profit amounting to rupees 1,20,000. So we will write profit and loss account debit is debited in case of profit. Second, we have general reserve. General reserve will also be debited because it is to be transferred to partners capital account. Then we have worksman compensation reserve. Worksman compensation reserve account debit. And all these reserves and profits is to be transferred to X capital account, to Y's capital account, as it is not mentioned in the question whether the capital is fixed or fluctuating. So we will assume that the capitals are fluctuating. So it will be transferred to partners capital account, to Z's capital account. Now amount of profit and loss is 1,20,000. General reserve is 45,000 and worksman compensation reserve is 60,000. So here all these reserves and profit will be transferred to partners capital account in their own profit sharing ratio. So first we will calculate the total of profits and reserve. 1,20,000 plus 45,000 plus 60,000 is rupees 2,25,000. First we will calculate the amount which will be transferred to X capital account. So here we know the profit sharing ratio among X, Y and Z is old profit sharing ratio 4:3:2. So X share will be 4 divided by 9. So here we will get 1 lakh amount to be transferred to X capital account. Now we will calculate Y's capital account. Total amount of reserves and profit is 2,25,000 multiplied by share of X is 3. 3 divided by 9. Again 25,000 multiplied by 3 is 75,000. Next, the last partner, which is Z. Z's share is 2 divided by 9. So 25,000 here. 25 into 2 is 50,000. So this will be the distribution of profits and reserve among the partners in their old share. X capital account will be credited with the amount rupees 1 lakh. Y's capital account will be credited with the amount 75,000 and Z's capital account will be credited with the amount 50,000. This is how we will distribute the total of profits and reserve among the partners in their old profit sharing ratio. Narration for this entry will be transfer of undistributed reserves and profits at the time of change in profit sharing ratio among the partners in their capital accounts. This will be the narration for this entry, transfer of undistributed reserves and profits at the time of change in profit sharing ratio among the partners in their capital account in old ratio. Now next we have advertisement suspense account, which is a loss. So losses are also transferred from partners capital account and entry will be, as there is a loss, so it will be debited from partners capital account. So we will debit all partners capital account. X capital account debit, Y's capital account debit, Z's capital account debit to advertisement suspense account. Now, the amount of advertisement suspense account is rupees 90,000. So now we will distribute this 90,000 among the partners in their old profit sharing ratio, and that amount will be debited from partners capital account. Why? Because it is a loss. Losses will be beared by the partners, which means the amount of loss will be deducted from partners capital account. So now we will distribute 90,000 in the ratio 4:3:2, which is old profit sharing ratio, among the partners. First, we will be calculating X amount of capital. Here, 90,000 multiplied by X share is 4. 4 divided by 9. So here, the amount which will be debited from X capital account will be 40,000. Then we will calculate the amount which will be deducted from Y's capital account. So total losses 90,000. Share of Y is 3 divided by 9. Amount will be 10,000 into 3, 30,000. 30,000 will be deducted from Y's capital account. Then we will calculate Z's amount which will be deducted from its capital account. So Z share is 2. Total loss is 90,000. 90,000 multiplied by 2 divided by 9. 10,000 into 2 is 20,000. So this means X will have to pay 40,000 as loss, Y will have to pay 30,000 and Z will have to pay 20,000. These amount will be debited from partners capital account. So we will put this amount on X capital account as 40,000, Y's capital account 30,000 and Z's capital account 20,000. Total loss is 90,000. So narration for this entry will be transfer of advertisement suspense account at the time of change in profit sharing ratio among the existing partners from their capital account in the old ratio. So this will be the narration for the entry transfer of advertisement suspense account, which is a loss at the time of change in profit sharing ratio among the existing partners from their capital account in the old ratio. So now we will be solving another question based on same adjustment entries. Question is, Babita, Kavita and Dinesh were partners in a firm. From 1st April 2018, they decided to share the profits in the ratio 2:3:5. On this date, the balance sheet of the firm showed a balance of rupees 60,000 in contingency reserve and debit balance of 1,20,000 in profit and loss account. The goodwill of the firm was valued at rupees 3,60,000. Pass necessary journal entries for the above transactions in the books of the firm. Also show your workings clearly. Now here in this question we have to make the journal entries based on the transfer of accumulated profits and losses. So according to the question, there are three partners, Babita, Kavita and Dinesh. They were sharing the profits equally. That means it is old profit sharing ratio. among these three partners, and in future they decide that they will be sharing the profits in the ratio 2:3:5. This is the new profit sharing ratio. Now, here it has been given that there is a reserve amounting to rupees 60,000 which will be transferred to partners capital account, and also there is a debit balance in profit and loss account which is a loss, and it will be transferred from partners capital account. One more important thing is given in this question, that goodwill was valued at 3,60,000. So here goodwill will also be distributed among the partners according to their gaining and sacrificing ratio. So here for the adjustment of goodwill, first we will find out the sacrificing and gaining ratio among the partners. So let's first pass the necessary journal entries based on the transfer of accumulated profit and losses. First we will draw the format of journal. Date, particulars, ledger folio, debit amount and credit amount. This will be the debit amount and this will be the credit amount. So now in the question, first we will transfer accumulated profits and reserves. So here reserve is given. Reserve will be transferred to partners capital account. Entry will be contingency reserve account debit to Babita's capital account to Kavita's capital account to Dinesh capital account. Contingency reserve is amounted to rupees 60,000. Now, this 60,000 will be transferred to partners capital account in their old profit sharing ratio. So earlier they were sharing the profits equally. We will divide this 60,000 among the three partners equally. So Babita's capital account will be credited with the amount 20,000. Kavita's capital account will be credited with the same amount 20,000, and Dinesh capital account will also be credited with the amount 20,000. Narration will be transfer of reserve to old partners capital account. So first entry is passed based on transfer of reserve to old partners capital account in their old profit sharing ratio. Now there is a loss also. So this loss will be debited from partners capital account. So we will debit partners capital account. Babita's capital account debit, Kavita's capital account debit, Dinesh capital account debit to profit and loss account. This is the case of loss. So here loss is amounted to rupees 1,20,000. So this amount will be divided equally among the partners, which will be debited from their capital account. So if we divide 1,20,000 among the three partners equally, Babita's capital account will be debited with the amount 40,000. Kavita's capital account will be debited with the amount 40,000, and Dinesh capital account will be debited with the amount 40,000. Narration for this entry will be transfer of debit balance of P&L account from old partners capital account in their old ratio. In their old ratio. So this is how we will be passing the journal entries when the reserves are transferred to partners capital account and when the losses are transferred from partners capital account. Now at last we will pass the entries for adjustment of goodwill. As we know, the new profit sharing ratio among the partners is 2:3:5 and old profit sharing ratio is 1:1:1. This is old and this is new. So here first we will find out the sacrificing and gaining ratio among the existing partners. Sacrifice or gain. Now first we will calculate Babita's sacrificing or gaining ratio. Old profit sharing is 1/3. Old ratio of Babita is 1/3 and new ratio of Babita is 2/10. So by solving this we will get 10 minus 6 divided by 30. Here we are getting the value in positive. So which means Babita is sacrificing the ratio. As we know, if old ratio is greater than new ratio, that means the partner is sacrificing some share of profit. Now we will calculate Kavita's sacrificing or gaining ratio. So old share of Kavita is 1/3 and new share of Kavita is 3/10. By solving this, we will get again the positive value as 1/30. That means Kavita is also sacrificing some share of profit because the answer is in positive value, which means old share of Kavita is greater than new share. At last we will calculate Dinesh share of gaining and sacrificing ratio. So old share of Dinesh is 1/3 and new share of Dinesh is 5/10. By solving this, we will be getting -5/30. So here partner Dinesh is gaining share of profit. Why? Because here the answer is a negative value, which means the new share is greater than old share. That means Dinesh is gaining some share of profit. So we will pass journal entries by debiting Dinesh capital account and crediting Babita's and Kavita's capital account. So here Dinesh capital account will be debited. Why? As we know, capital account is a personal account and the rule for personal account is debit the receiver, credit the giver. So here Dinesh is receiving share of profit, so its capital account will be debited to Babita's capital account to Kavita's capital account. Narration for this entry will be adjustment for goodwill. So here, as we know, the amount of goodwill is 3,60,000. So Dinesh share of profit will be 3,60,000 multiplied by 5/30. 60,000. Dinesh capital account will be debited with the amount 60,000. Babita's capital account will be credited with the amount 3,60,000 divided by 4/30. 12 4s are 48. 48,000 will be credited in Babita's capital account and Kavita's capital account will be credited with the amount 12,000. So this is how we will calculate the amount of goodwill which will be distributed among the partners according to their sacrificing and gaining ratio. So we have solved two questions based on the transfer of accumulated profits and losses to partners capital account. Also, we have learned how to pass the entries for adjustment of goodwill. So in the next session, we will be solving the second case for the accounting treatment of accumulated losses and reserves. That's all for today. Thank you.